What's up everyone, it's Cash Compass here to talk about something that gets me fired up, making smart investments. Today, we're diving into the future of investing, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. And let me tell you, 2025 is shaping up to be a huge year for anyone looking to grow their wealth. The landscape of investing is evolving faster than ever, and those who stay ahead of the curve will reap the rewards. We're not talking about chasing meme stocks or falling for get-rich-quick schemes. Those days are behind us. Instead, we're focusing on sustainable, long-term growth. We're talking about tapping into the biggest, most impactful trends reshaping our world. These are the trends that will define the next decade and beyond. Think about it. Artificial intelligence, clean energy, revolutionary healthcare breakthroughs. These aren't just buzzwords, they're trillion-dollar opportunities. These sectors are not only growing but are set to revolutionize the way we live and work. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 3 industries you absolutely need to have on your radar for 2025. We'll explore why these industries are poised for explosive growth and how you can get in on the action. We'll break down the trends, analyze the key players, and most importantly, show you how to position yourself for maximum returns. This isn't just about picking stocks, it's about understanding the broader market dynamics. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck, it's about strategy, and that's exactly what we're here to do. We'll provide you with the tools and insights you need to make informed decisions. So, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. This journey into the future of investing is going to be exciting, and I can't wait to share it with you. Now, you've probably heard a lot about AI, right? It's everywhere. But here's the thing, AI isn't just some futuristic fantasy anymore, it's the real deal and it's transforming industries faster than you can imagine. Think about it. AI is already powering the apps you use every day, from personalized recommendations on Netflix to those eerily accurate Instagram ads. But it goes way deeper than that. AI is optimizing supply chains, automating complex tasks, and even revolutionizing entire industries like finance and healthcare. This isn't just about robots taking over the world, although that's always a possibility. It's about understanding that companies embracing AI are the ones gaining a massive competitive edge. They're the ones streamlining operations, cutting costs, and ultimately boosting their bottom line. And that, my friends, is where the real opportunity lies. Because when companies are making more money, guess who benefits? That's right, the investors. So, how do you actually invest in AI? Well, the good news is, you don't need to be a tech genius or build the next ChatGPT to capitalize on this trend. There are tons of ways to get in the game. First off, you've got the big players, the tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. These companies are pouring billions into AI research and development, and their stock prices often reflect their dominance in this space. But here's the thing, don't sleep on the smaller, more specialized AI companies. These are the companies developing cutting-edge AI software, hardware, and services. They might not be household names yet, but they're the ones pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. And that's where things get really interesting, because these smaller companies often have more room to grow, which means potentially bigger returns for early investors. Now, before you go throwing your money at anything with AI in the name, it's crucial to understand the different areas within the AI landscape. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to investing. One key area is machine learning. This is where computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed, leading to things like self-driving cars and personalized medicine. Then you've got natural language processing, which powers chatbots, virtual assistants, and even those super realistic deepfakes you've probably seen online. And let's not forget about computer vision, which allows computers to see and interpret images, opening up a world of possibilities in fields like healthcare, security, and even retail. By understanding these different areas, you can start to identify the companies and technologies that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Now here's the thing about AI, it's a hot topic, which means there's bound to be hype. And whenever there's hype, there are people trying to make a quick buck, often at the expense of unsuspecting investors. That's why it's absolutely crucial to do your due diligence. Don't just jump on the bandwagon because everyone else is. Take the time to research companies thoroughly, understand their financials, and most importantly, look beyond the marketing fluff. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't fall for those guaranteed returns or secret AI strategies. Stick to your investment plan, diversify your portfolio, and always be prepared for the unexpected. Now, while the potential of AI is undeniable, its rapid advancement brings with it a host of ethical considerations that we must address. It's not just about what AI can do, but also about what it should do. The ethical implications of AI are vast and complex, touching on various aspects of our lives. As AI becomes more sophisticated, we need to be mindful of its impact on society. This includes considering how AI affects our daily interactions, our privacy, and even our decision-making processes. One major concern is job displacement. The automation of tasks that were once performed by humans can lead to significant changes in the job market. As AI automates more tasks, there's a risk that certain jobs will become obsolete. This can create economic challenges for individuals and communities. It's crucial that we invest in retraining programs and create new opportunities for workers who may be affected by this shift. By doing so, we can help ensure a smoother transition and mitigate the negative impacts of job displacement. Another concern is bias. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they're trained on, and if that data is biased, the AI will be biased too. This is a significant issue that can perpetuate existing inequalities. If the data used to train AI systems is not representative or is skewed, the outcomes can be unfair or discriminatory. This is particularly concerning in areas like hiring, lending, and even criminal justice. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, especially in areas like hiring, lending, and even criminal justice. It's essential to address these biases to ensure fairness and equity. It's our responsibility to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically and responsibly. This means implementing standards and guidelines that promote transparency, accountability, and fairness. By supporting companies that prioritize ethical AI practices, we can help shape a future where this technology benefits everyone. Together, we can create a world where AI serves as a tool for positive change, enhancing our lives while upholding our values. So, there you have it. AI isn't just some futuristic concept anymore. It's here, it's real, and it's transforming the world as we know it. By understanding the trends, doing your research, and investing wisely, you can position yourself to benefit from this incredible technological revolution. Remember, the future belongs to those who embrace it. So, don't be afraid to dive in, learn as much as you can, and start building your AI-powered portfolio today. Now, let's talk about another industry that's ripe for disruption and overflowing with investment opportunities: clean energy. For years, we've been told that fossil fuels are on the way out, and guess what? That time is now. The world is waking up to the realities of climate change, and governments and businesses alike are pouring trillions of dollars into the transition to a more sustainable future. We're talking solar, wind, hydropower, geothermal, the whole 9 yards. This isn't just some feel-good trend, it's a fundamental shift in how we power our planet. And for savvy investors, it represents a once-in-a-generation opportunity to profit from a global megatrend. Now, one of the biggest drivers of the clean energy boom is government support. We're talking massive subsidies, tax breaks, and other incentives designed to accelerate the adoption of renewable energy sources. Take the Inflation Reduction Act, for example. This landmark legislation injects hundreds of billions of dollars into clean energy projects, creating a gold rush for companies operating in this space. And it's not just the US. Countries around the world are implementing similar policies, creating a global playing field for clean energy investment. From China's massive investments in solar power to Europe's ambitious offshore wind farms, the opportunities are endless. So how do you actually invest in this clean energy revolution? Well, just like with AI, there are multiple ways to play it. First, You've got the pure-play renewable energy companies. These are the companies that specialize in developing, manufacturing, and operating renewable energy projects. We're talking solar panel manufacturers, wind turbine makers, and companies building massive solar farms and wind farms. But here's the thing, the clean energy ecosystem goes way beyond just generating electricity. You've also got companies involved in energy storage, smart grids, energy efficiency, and even electric vehicles. Speaking of electric vehicles, this is one area within the clean energy sector that's absolutely exploding. With companies like Tesla leading the charge, electric vehicles are no longer a niche product, they're becoming mainstream. And it's not just about cars anymore. We're talking electric trucks, buses, even planes and ships. The electrification of transportation is well underway, and it's creating massive opportunities for investors. But here's the key. Electric vehicles are only as good as the batteries that power them. And that's why battery technology is another critical area to watch within the clean energy space. Companies developing cheaper, more efficient, and longer-lasting batteries are going to be major players in the years to come. Now, as with any investment, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially in a sector as dynamic as clean energy. Spread your bets across different subsectors, invest in companies of different sizes, and consider geographic diversification as well. Remember, the clean energy revolution is a global phenomenon, so don't limit yourself to just one region. And as always, do your due diligence. Research companies thoroughly, understand their financials, and make sure their business models align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. So, there you have it. Clean energy isn't just about saving the planet, it's about making smart, future-proof investments. By understanding the trends, doing your research, and diversifying your portfolio, you can position yourself to profit from this historic transition to a more sustainable future. Remember, the future is green and so are the investment opportunities. So jump in, get informed, and start building your clean energy portfolio today. Alright, let's talk about an industry that's near and dear to all of us: healthcare. It's an industry that touches every single one of us at some point in our lives, whether it's through routine checkups, emergency care, or managing chronic conditions. Healthcare is evolving at a pace we've never seen before. But this isn't about your grandma's boring old healthcare stocks. We're moving beyond the traditional models and into a realm where technology and innovation are driving unprecedented changes. We're diving into the cutting edge, the game changers, the companies rewriting the rules of health and wellness. These are the pioneers who are not just thinking outside the box, but are completely redefining what the box even is. Think about it. What if you could diagnose diseases with a simple blood test years before symptoms even appear? Imagine the lives that could be saved and the suffering that could be avoided with such early detection, or personalized treatments based on your unique genetic makeup. This isn't just about treating diseases, it's about tailoring healthcare to fit the individual, making treatments more effective and reducing side effects. That's the promise of healthcare tech and biotech innovation. These advancements are not just incremental, they are transformative, offering new ways to approach health and wellness. We're talking about using artificial intelligence to analyze medical images with superhuman accuracy, catching issues that might be missed by the human eye, and doing it faster and more efficiently. Developing gene therapies to cure previously untreatable diseases, offering hope where there was none before. These therapies have the potential to eradicate genetic disorders and transform lives, and creating wearable devices that monitor your health in real time, giving you and your healthcare providers the data needed to make informed decisions about your health on a daily basis. This isn't science fiction, people, this is happening right now. These technologies are already in use and are continually being refined and improved. And the best part, it's creating massive opportunities for investors. The financial growth in this sector is staggering, and it's only just beginning. Early investors in companies like Teladoc and Moderna have seen life-changing returns, proving that betting on innovation can pay off in a big way. And the potential for future growth in this sector is nothing short of astronomical. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities are endless, making this an exciting time to be involved in healthcare. One of the most exciting areas within healthcare tech is personalized medicine. This is all about tailoring treatments to your specific genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environment. Think about it. Why treat everyone with the same drug when we all have unique biological differences? Personalized medicine takes those differences into account, leading to more effective treatments and fewer side effects. Companies at the forefront of personalized medicine are using genetic testing, artificial intelligence, and big data to develop targeted therapies for diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. This is a paradigm shift in healthcare, and it's creating huge opportunities for investors who get in early on the right companies. Now I know what you might be thinking. Graham, this all sounds great, but how do I actually invest in healthcare tech? Well, the good news is you don't need to be a doctor or scientist to profit from this revolution. There are plenty of ways to get exposure to this sector, even if you're just starting out. One option is to invest in individual healthcare tech stocks. This requires some research and due diligence, but it can be incredibly rewarding if you pick the right companies. Another option is to invest in healthcare tech ETFs. These are baskets of stocks that track the performance of the overall sector, providing instant diversification and reducing your risk. Remember those long waits at the doctor's office, the endless paperwork, the frustration of trying to schedule an appointment? Telehealth is making all of those headaches a thing of the past. With telehealth, you can consult with a doctor from the comfort of your own home using your smartphone or computer. This is especially beneficial for routine checkups, follow-up appointments, and even mental health counseling. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of telehealth, and it's clear that this trend is here to stay. Companies like Teladoc and American Well are leading the charge, providing virtual care to millions of patients worldwide. Investing in telehealth is a bet on the future of healthcare delivery, a future that's more convenient, accessible, and affordable for everyone. Now, let's talk about the really cutting-edge stuff, biotech. This is where things get truly revolutionary. We're talking about using the building blocks of life itself to develop life-saving therapies. One of the most promising areas within biotech is gene editing. Imagine being able to literally rewrite the code of life to correct genetic defects and cure diseases at their root cause. Companies like CRISPR Therapeutics and Editas Medicine are developing gene editing therapies for a wide range of diseases, from sickle cell anemia to certain types of cancer. This is the future of medicine, and it's happening right before our eyes. While investing in biotech carries inherent risks, the potential rewards are enormous for those who believe in the power of innovation. Now, before you go all in on healthcare tech and biotech, remember that every investment comes with risks. This is a rapidly evolving sector with its fair share of volatility. That's why it's crucial to do your due diligence. Don't just invest in a company because it sounds cool or has a fancy name. Look at their financials, their management team, their competitive landscape. Understand the science behind their products or services. Are they truly groundbreaking, or are they just hype? Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. By carefully researching and selecting the right healthcare tech and biotech companies, you can position yourself for potentially life-changing returns. There you have it, folks. If you're investing in 2025, keep an eye on these industries: AI, clean energy, and healthcare tech. They're not just trends, they're transformative forces shaping the future. Remember, the future is created by those who invest in it today. So, do your research, invest wisely, and let's build a brighter future together. Like this video if you learned something valuable, and drop a comment below with your 2025 investment strategy. I'm really curious to see what you guys are thinking. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly wealth-building insights. And until next time, this is Cash Compass, helping you invest with clarity and purpose. As we look ahead, artificial intelligence is poised to revolutionize not just the industries we discussed, but virtually every aspect of our lives. Imagine AI systems that can predict market trends with unprecedented accuracy, or healthcare algorithms that diagnose diseases in their earliest stages. Picture autonomous vehicles that reduce traffic accidents and smart grids that optimize energy consumption in real time. Advancements in AI will likely lead to breakthroughs in natural language processing, making human-machine interactions more seamless and intuitive. We could see AI assistants that understand context and nuance, becoming invaluable partners in both our personal and professional lives. In the realm of creative arts, AI could assist in generating music, art, and even writing, pushing the boundaries of human creativity. However, with these advancements come significant challenges. Issues of data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the ethical use of AI will need to be addressed. As investors, understanding these trends and their potential impacts is crucial. The future of AI is not just about technological progress, but about creating systems that benefit society as a whole. So, as you consider your investment strategies for the coming years, keep an eye on how AI continues to evolve. The opportunities are vast, and the potential for positive impact is enormous. Let's navigate this exciting future together, making informed decisions that will shape not just our portfolios, but the world we live in. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the future of investing. Like this video if you found it insightful, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly insights. Until next time, this is Cash Compass, helping you invest with clarity and purpose. As we continue our journey into the future of investing, let's pivot to another transformative sector, renewable energy. The latest innovations in this field are not just about reducing our carbon footprint, they are about redefining how we generate and consume energy on a global scale. Solar power has seen remarkable advancements. From more efficient photovoltaic cells to solar farms that float on water bodies, the potential for capturing the sun's energy has never been greater. New materials like perovskite are making solar panels more affordable and efficient, promising a future where solar energy could become the dominant source of power. Wind energy is also breaking new ground. Offshore wind farms are now harnessing stronger and more consistent winds, producing more energy than ever before. Innovations in turbine design and materials are making wind power more cost-effective and reliable. Imagine a world where wind farms are seamlessly integrated into our landscapes, providing clean energy to millions. But the story doesn't end with solar and wind. Other sustainable sources like geothermal, hydroelectric, and even tidal energy are making strides, contributing to a diversified and resilient energy grid. Companies are investing in advanced storage solutions, ensuring that renewable energy is available even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. As investors, these advancements represent significant opportunities. The renewable energy sector is not just about environmental responsibility, it's about tapping into a market that is set to grow exponentially. By investing in these innovations, we are not only contributing to a sustainable future, but also positioning ourselves for financial growth. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the exciting world of future investments. Like this video if you found it insightful, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly insights. Until next time, this is Cash Compass, helping you invest with clarity and purpose. As we venture further into the future of investing, let's turn our attention to a sector that touches every aspect of our lives, healthcare technology. Recent breakthroughs in this field are revolutionizing how we approach health and wellness, making it an exciting area for forward-thinking investors. Telemedicine has emerged as a game-changer, especially in the wake of the global pandemic. Gone are the days when healthcare was confined to a doctor's office. Today, virtual consultations, remote monitoring, and digital health platforms are making healthcare more accessible and convenient than ever before. Imagine being able to consult with a specialist from the comfort of your home, no matter where you are in the world. This shift not only improves patient outcomes but also opens up new investment opportunities in telehealth companies and digital health startups. Artificial intelligence is another frontier in healthcare innovation. AI-powered diagnostics are enhancing the accuracy and speed of medical diagnoses, from detecting early signs of diseases in medical imaging to predicting patient outcomes with unprecedented precision. These advancements are not just about improving healthcare, they're about saving lives. Investing in companies that leverage AI for diagnostics offers a unique blend of ethical responsibility and financial potential. Personalized medicine is also making waves, tailoring treatments to individual genetic profiles. This approach ensures that patients receive the most effective therapies with minimal side effects. The era of one-size-fits-all medicine is ending, paving the way for a future where treatments are as unique as our DNA. Companies specializing in genetic testing and personalized treatment plans are at the forefront of this revolution, presenting lucrative investment prospects. These breakthroughs are not just transforming healthcare, they're redefining our expectations of what is possible. By investing in healthcare technology, we are not only fostering innovation, but also playing a vital role in shaping a healthier, more personalized future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the future of investing. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more weekly insights. Until next time, this is Cash Compass, helping you invest with clarity and purpose. As we wrap up our exploration of future trends and breakthroughs, let's shift our focus to actionable strategies for 2025. Investing is not just about spotting trends, it's about building a resilient portfolio that can weather market fluctuations and capitalize on emerging opportunities. Here are some key strategies to consider as we move towards 2025. First, diversification remains a cornerstone of any robust investment strategy. By spreading your investments across various sectors, asset classes, and geographies, you can mitigate risks and enhance potential returns. In a rapidly changing world, diversification is more important than ever. Consider blending traditional assets like stocks and bonds with alternative investments such as real estate, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies. Next, risk management is crucial. Understanding your risk tolerance and setting clear investment goals can help you navigate market volatility. Tools like stop-loss orders, asset allocation, and regular portfolio reviews can protect your investments from unforeseen downturns. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate risk, but to manage it effectively. Emerging markets offer exciting opportunities for growth. As economies in Asia, Africa, and Latin America continue to develop, they present new avenues for investment. Look for sectors that are poised for expansion, such as technology, healthcare, and renewable energy. Investing in these regions can provide diversification benefits and access to high-growth potential. Lastly, stay informed and adaptable. The investment landscape is constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends, regulations, and market dynamics is essential. Consider leveraging financial news, market analysis, and even AI-powered investment tools to make informed decisions. By focusing on diversification, risk management, and emerging markets, you can build a resilient portfolio that is well-positioned for the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the future of investing. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more weekly insights. Until next time, this is Cash Compass, helping you invest with clarity and purpose.